Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your weekly lecture video. So I begin this week's video right here in discussion board number 9, exercise 1.5. I may have covered this in the screencast video, but I want to talk a little bit more in depth, and then I want to point out the journey that we're all going to take together here moving forward over the next 3 to 4 weeks. So, pretty straightforward assignment in my mind. The read pages 34 to 38. I'm asking you to begin the first paragraph with your inquiry question. So please narrow this down once again to a question. Time for a laundry list of questions to move away. That was exercise 1.4. About what you want to learn about your topic. Write a few sentences there because it is an inquiry, a research inquiry. If you want to take a position and support an argument, if you want to argue within your topic, you can do that if you feel strongly about your topic. Also, the paragraph describing your prior beliefs, assumption, personal experiences, etc. Some of discussion board 1.4's content might help you out here. And so I'm looking for an engaging post about 300 and 350 words, including 2 to 3 internet sources. I think it's important just to start looking at some internet sources. I say here, no formal citation is required, but do include the links to your sources. Now, if you choose to use the databases or using academic type articles and you import the citation, that's fine. I'm not looking for it in this particular activity. I just want everybody to start thinking and looking at research. And as always, try to comment with meaning. This is an important part of the course right now where topics are going to develop. People could use the interaction and be a little bit more detailed. The one sentence comments might not produce the results everybody's looking for because we are moving into that serious part of the course. One thing I do want to point out here in this lecture video as I'm moving over to modules now, I have published and opened up the next, what do we got, week 7, 8, 9, and 10. I've opened up the next 4 weeks worth of modules. Now, the next large assignment for this particular course about your research topic will be the annotated bibliography. Okay, I want to point out the annotated bibliography here. Here's all the instructions for the, I'll refer to as the EAB, or the Evaluative Annotated Bibliography. I'd like to point out that this is 25% of your overall course grade. It is a serious assignment. That's why I'm drawing attention to it now. So when I say in my videos that your topic has to sustain, excuse me, your topic has to sustain extended academic inquiry, this is what I mean. So we're going to move toward the bibliography. I urge everybody to take a read of this. You're putting together an annotated bibliography with a variety of sources here that are all highlighted in the textbook. All right. Interviews, the researcher talks about them in pages 67 to 78. I even give you a page in the textbook to learn how to cite an interview. There's an example of an annotated bibliography here at the end of the instructions. I just want to point out it's an example. It might be, it should be a pretty current example, but it's just an example. So I want to point that out. Also, I have an instructional video. It's probably produced during the pandemic, but you should be able to extract the most important points about pulling together this particular assignment. So this is the target, I should say, the target assessment for your research here. It's due October 29th. After we pull the research together, we'll end up looking at how to use the source information ultimately into putting it and drafting your research essay. So I'm hopeful that this lecture video puts everybody on a path to be successful over the next 4 weeks, 7, 8, 9, into week 10, when the final draft of the annotated bibliography is due. So if you have any questions after you look over the modules, please send me an email. Good luck.